Hey guys, it's me, Jersey. Yeah, I know I've been gone for quite a while. I've been helping a friend get better. She had some illnesses. I went down to the Fort Worth Stockyard with my friend Dee down here in Fort Worth, Texas. It's been on my bucket list, and I watched the Longhorn Cattle Drive. It happens twice a day at 11:30 and 4. And this has been going on for quite a while. These are Texas Longhorn. They're a mix of Spanish and English breeds, making a rough, smaller cow from around the 1820s to 1830s. They were bred with longer legs and extremely long horns, growing up to 7 feet long. The longest one, longest horns measured over 10 feet. Can you imagine seeing that guy? Each steer has been donated to the herd, and I think there's 22 steers in the herd. They're all donated by private ranches to keep this historic cattle drive going. Each person here, this guy's called a drover. They're the ones who drive the herd. They're expert horsemen, and they have to have experience working on ranches and around cattle. The Fort Worth herd here was formed in 1999. The oldest steer in the herd is called Thunder. He was born February 28th, 2001. He has rich bloodlines that go way back. The youngest steer in the herd is Chisholm. He was born December 4th, 2015. The males are called steers because, well, they're missing a pair, so they're no longer bulls, making them easier to handle. And these cows here, steer, can weigh between 1,400 to 2,500 pounds. They're big guys. You can take a horse and carriage ride. I'm not really a fan of that. And here is the arena. I believe every Friday night and Saturday night they have what do you call it? You can go there, see bull riding and horse events. And this is where the cattle usually are, the Longhorn from the herd, and you could view them, but apparently they weren't there that day we were here. And here they are here, all of their pictures. 5, 10, 15, 20, 22 of them. It was cool. Cows are my favorite animal. There's just something about them. That's my very sweet friend Dee, playing with turnstile. Rodeo. That's what I was trying to think the word of. Every Friday and Saturday night you can go to the rodeo here. And this is a really cool town. This is a really old street. There's a bunch of bars here and restaurants and shops. A couple old trucks. I love old vehicles. I always wanted to get one to pull some of my old vintage trailers with. Had a really good time. Look, that could be my next home. I always wanted to make over a horse trailer. This truck's beautiful. And I went into Billy Bob's. Billy Bob's bar was built back in 1910. It was built as an open air barn used to house prized cattle. In 1936, the building was enclosed, and the new building had stalls and an auction ring that is now the bull riding arena. It moved in 1943 during World War II and was used as an airplane factory. And in the 50s became a department store that was so big the stock boys had to wear roller skates. Billy Bob's Texas, as it is known now, opened in April 1981 with a 1,000-square-foot dance floor. There was more than 30 bar stations and the country's biggest music stars performing. It's the world's largest honky-tonk where more than 6,000 fans can come and enjoy dancing, bull riding entertainment nightly. It was a really cool place. So you can get your picture taken on this bull here. There's pictures in the front that are really funny of the guys and girls. And here's a little arena here. They do bull riding in there. I love bull riding, that and hockey. And even though I'm a vegan, I'm sorry. Come here and play pool. There's a couple dance floors. Yum. This place is massive. I couldn't believe the size of it. It's $3 to get in. But there's so much history here. And there's a room with a lot of the country stars that have played there, even not country stars. Their guitars are hanging on the wall, their pictures. It's really cool. There's one whole wall full of guitar picks from them. This is a rhinestone saddle hanging up here from the light fixture. Tried to get Dee to go up there and dance. Get up there and dance for me, Dee. Apparently, she can two-step. And then it was Veterans Day when we were there, and there was a group of very old veterans Thank you guys and girls. And they were driving all these old vehicles. Thank you all for your service. Anyone who's watching this. They have the old cobblestone street still. It's really cool. I'd like to go down there. There's a hotel right here in town, right on the street. Yeah, just come stay in town. The hotels are right here on Main Street, or whatever the name of the street is. Like I said, I had a really fun time with Dee. It was a beautiful fall day. There's a lot of history in this town. And it was just an awesome time. I'd love to go back and spend a weekend here. I told my daughter her and her boyfriend should come down. Again, I'd like to thank everybody for sticking around and waiting for me to post another video. I'm getting back on the road soon. And I'll be posting more nomad things, camping and stuff. Thank you all for being patient with me and subscribing. You guys have a great day.